What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this imarku, or maybe imarku, not really sure how to pronounce it, knife set. In this review I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about this knife set and one thing I think that you should know before buying. So guys, we got this knife set mainly because we've had other knife sets just not the highest of quality, and I decided, you know what, we're going to go all in on a really high quality knife set. And this is the one that we landed on, and I can say without any doubt that we do not regret that decision. So guys, talking about the knives in this set, this is what you actually get when you order it. And like I said, I don't regret buying these at all. We really like these knives. To go through them one at a time, so this is a chef knife here. This is a slicing knife. This is a santoku knife. This is a bread knife. This is a utility knife right here. Then we have the paring knife, and then all the steak knives, a sharpening rod here so you can resharpen them, and then also the kitchen shears. Now the knives themselves, kind of talking about our experience, we've had them for a little while. They are super sharp, and they actually hold like the sharpness really well. That's one thing, is we haven't had to really sharpen these often, which is one thing that I definitely really like. You can see that they are all one piece as opposed to, you know, like a blade and then some type of attached handle. I really like that. I think that really adds a lot of quality to these things, to knives in general, when you have that, if it's just one piece. So I really like that they're just one piece with no additional handle needed. It's also worth mentioning we have not had any issues with rusting. That said, you know, these are dishwasher safe, but we actually always hand wash them, just because we want to make sure that we hand wash them, dry them off fully, and wipe off all of the water so that we don't have any chance of anything like that happening. But like I said, we've had these for a little while, and there's no specks of rust anywhere, as you can see. Now, the knife block looks good itself. It's kind of not walnut, but not oak. It's kind of in between in terms of the color. It looks really nice. You know, it holds them really well. Now, these are made of carbon stainless steel, and like I said, they're super resistant to everything. We've just had really good luck with them so far, and are really enjoying them in our house. Now guys, in terms of the thing that you should know about this knife set, so any knife set that's like this, right, that's stainless steel, that's, you know, all one piece of, carbon or metal, whatever you want to call it, generally speaking, they're going to be easier to rust than just, you know, some chintzy scent that you get that maybe doesn't, isn't as of high quality. With these, you know, it's something where you're gonna want to clean them by hand and dry them thoroughly. You know, I talked about that earlier, but it is really important for the longevity of these. It's not a ton of extra work or anything. I mean, we'll, use them for dinner, and then we'll take them, throw them in the sink, and then, an hour or whatever later, we'll clean them out. Have no problems with them, but that's just one thing that you should know about these. Make sure that you hand wash them. It just makes their longevity much better. But other than that, guys, we've been super happy with them, and if you're on the fence about buying them, we definitely recommend ourselves.